I'd like to invite Vice President, Trident Group of Hotel and General Manager, Shri Sanju Soni, to say a few words. As you all know, that Oberoi is our main sponsor. So on behalf of Oberoi, I'd like to invite Shri Sanju Soni to say a few words.
Very welcome to all of you present, from media and the artists. We have been associated with this event for the last 15 years, and how these 15 years have passed, God only knows that. And every time there is an excitement, every time we start talking about the event, there is a huge amount of excitement among our team also, our team members saying that it's coming back once again. I'd like to congratulate Pankaj, CPA, Parent Association, Anesthetic Unit Trust, for the kind of work that they're doing and the relentless efforts they're making in their endeavors. We wish and we hope that this association that we have with Pankaj goes on for years, and Khazana should continue as an event that the whole city looks forward to, and we hope that there are huge amount of contributions, whether it's through ticket sales or through the sponsorships, that money actually is used for the cause that Pankaj has dedicated himself. Thank you so much.
I'd like to invite Vice President CPA Srimati Rekha Sapru to come and share with us.
कैंसर पेशेंट्स एड एसोसिएशन की तरफ से हम आप सब अजीज़ मेहमानों का दिली स्वागत करते हैं। आज बहुत ही खूबसूरत मौका है। इस मौके पर हम चाहेंगे आप हमारी कुछ यादें हमारे साथ शेयर करें। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि पंकज जी और हमारा CPA के साथ इनका संबंध 25 साल पुराना है और 36 साल पुराना है। मैं आपको कहती हूँ उन्होंने अनेक शोज़ हमारे लिए करी हैं। इतना ही नहीं, पंकज जी हमारी एसोसिएशन में आते रहे हैं, बच्चों से बातचीत करते रहे हैं, उनका उत्साह बढ़ाते रहे हैं और ये हमारे पेट्रन भी हैं। और पंकज जी की वजह से आज ये ख़जाना इस मुकाम पे पहुंचा है कि वो एक जुनून बन गया है। तो इनका साथ दिया है अनूप जी और तलत जी ने, जो आज यहाँ मौजूद नहीं हैं। हम उनके भी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं और इस हसीन ख़जाने को आप तक पेश ना करने के लिए हम लोगों को मदद लेनी पड़ी है होटल ओबरॉय की और हमारे बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर यूनियन बैंक की। हम उनका दिली थैंक्स करते हैं और बहुत आभारी हैं और रहेंगे। अब मैं मुद्दे की बात पे आती हूँ साहिबान। ख़जाना तो बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुतों का दिल जीत चुका है, लेकिन मुद्दे की बात यह है कि हमको एक और ख़जाना प्राप्त हुआ है, बहुत बड़ा ख़जाना। जब मैं आपको इसके बारे में बताऊंगी तो आप लोगों को बहुत खुशी होगी। ये वो ख़जाना है जो इन 15 सालों में हमने जो शोज़ से धनराशि इकट्ठी की है। आप लोगों को जानकर ताज्जुब होगा कि हमने करीबन इन 15 सालों में 6 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा धन इकट्ठा किया और इसके द्वारा हमने अपने कैंसर मरीज बच्चों की और थैलेसीमिया के गरीब बच्चों की मदद की है, हज़ारों से भी ज़्यादा। और आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी कि ये बच्चे आज बहुत तंदुरुस्त हैं और अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं। करीबन 90% ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो बिल्कुल ठीक हो चुके हैं, कॉलेजेस में हैं, शादियां तक हो गई हैं लड़कियों की, घर परिवार बच गए हैं। तो इससे खुशी की बात और क्या हो सकती है। तो चलिए आप हम सब मिलकर एक छोटी सी प्यारी सी गिफ्ट पंकज जी को देना चाहेंगे, जिनके कारण आज ये ख़जाना के 15 साल पूरे हुए। तो मैं श्री सप्रू जी, YK सप्रू चेयरमैन, फाउंडर चेयरमैन और मिसेस सिल्लू जज्जनवाला सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द एसोसिएशन से इल्तिजा करूंगी कि वे यहाँ पर तशरीफ़ लाएं और पंकज जी को एक ट्रॉफी से नवाजें। श्री पंकज जी। काफ़ी तस्वीरें हो गई हैं, इतनी तो ज़रूर नहीं छपेंगी। तो मैं बहुत आप लोगों का शुक्रिया करती हूँ, आभारी हूँ कि आप सब मिलकर आए और हमारे इस ओकेजन को 4 चांद लगा दिए। मैं माइक वापस पंकज जी को देती हूँ और एक बार फिर से पंकज जी के लिए बहुत सारी तालियां और बहुत शुक्रिया।
I would like to just say a few words in the capacity as the president of Parents Association Theresa Giving Trust, also as Pankaj Udas, who's part of this wonderful Khazana. It's a very emotional moment, it's a very heartening moment, it's a very exciting moment because when we started, we had not thought that we would go so far, or we had probably not envisaged that we would be going from strength to strength as far as Khazana is concerned. Today, when we have reached 15 years, I think it's unbelievable that how a small idea can turn into such a massive, successful franchise. It was why I say a small idea, that it was at a gathering like this, my very dear friends, Shri Anup Jalota and Janab Tarat Aziz, the three of us were sitting and chatting, and we were all kind of nostalgic, we were emotional, that we used to do a ghazal concert together, all of us, which is called Khazana. And that Khazana had stopped for many, many years. So why not revive this Khazana? And why not do Khazana again so that we can all get together and sing ghazals basically. And that small chat that evening turned into reality. And we started Khazana in 2002. Even when we started, we had no clue as to what will be the outcome, what would be the ultimate status of Khazana. But today, I'm really happy to stand on this stage in the 15th year of Khazana. And now, obviously, maybe I'm a little greedy, but my eyes are on the 25th year of Khazana. I look forward to celebrate Khazana the 25th year with the same partners, no change, with the same set of artists, I'm sure. It is unfortunate that today both my very dear friends, Anup Jalota and Talat Aziz, both had, Talat had a concert in Hyderabad and Anup ji had a concert in Delhi. So they both have not been able to make it, but we certainly miss them. But they will certainly be there for the concerts. They have sent their regards, both of them, and they have sent their best wishes. They asked me to personally convey to everybody that they have sent best wishes to Khazana and congratulations on the celebration. As earlier said, this Khazana could not have been possible without the help of, first and foremost I would say, without the help and support of all my artist friends. Because Khazana means a real Khazana of ghazal singers. And I would say that we are very, very fortunate that we've got unconditional support from every single artist who has come for Khazana. I think I can only say a very big thank you from the bottom of my heart. Because it's the artists who have made Khazana, it's the artists who have made it possible for us to come this far. And it's so very important that it's not just participation in Khazana, but I can see that every artist who takes part in Khazana, who's a part of Khazana, is so very passionate about Khazana. He is so very involved in Khazana. And I think that speaks a lot, because that's what makes Khazana a very, very successful venture, because everyone is involved, everyone is not just participating. I would also like to thank our main supporters, without whom we would not have been able to achieve what we have achieved. The Oberoi Group of Hotels, the Trident. Because it's the backdrop of the gorgeous, majestic Regal Room where we perform Khazana every year. And with their unlimited, untiring service at the event, their entire setup, the decor, it's only the Oberoi which can provide that class. And for which I am thankful to Mr. Burma, Mr. Sanju Soni, the entire team of the Oberoi. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the Union Bank of India, which has been our partner from the first year. And they have stayed with us all these 15 years. A very big round of applause for Union Bank. Without them, it would not be possible. We also have a lot of co-sponsors who come in every year to help us in so many ways. Apart from Union Bank, we have the New India Assurance Company. We have L&T Mutual Fund. As they say that Khazana is always in high spirit, so Kingfisher and Charosar beer, the beer and wine. We are supported by Tata Mutual, Indian Oil, our official radio partner, Radio Nasha. And no doubt we, since a few years now, we have started Khazana live streaming. It's a very interesting development. With the live streaming, Khazana goes across to every single country in the world because it's a digital platform. So anybody, anywhere in the world can watch Khazana live on the net. So, for which I am very thankful to Hungama. Hungama has really taken Khazana globally. We are thankful to Minimax, who is always providing us some nice large holdings at some key sites in Mumbai. We are thankful to Vaibhav Patil of Ginger PR for his endless support. Though she is my daughter, but I think I must thank her, Reva Udas, for really, because as we all know that we live in an era of social media, and the digital media is very, very important. Reva is an expert as far as digital media is concerned. She has created videos and she has created all kinds of things for Twitter, for Facebook, for Instagram, and she has done a wonderful job doing that. We would certainly like to thank the media for being with us for the last 15 years, and media has been more than kind to us. So every member of the media, thank you so much for all your support. Since Union Bank has been our major support, I would certainly like to invite the General Manager of Union Bank, Mrs. Monica Kalia, to come up and say a couple of words on behalf of Union Bank, which has been an integral part of Khazana. Mrs. Monica Kalia, let's put our hands together.